Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to charge DJI Lito X1 batteries. So I bought Fly More combo, so I got this thing here. So it's basically the charging port for the batteries. As you can see right here we have USB-C charger. So what we are going to do is just put in the batteries just like so. You will see here some lights. So what that means, I will tell you right now. So we plugged in this USB-C right here, and now as you can see we have all green lights. So that means that batteries are fully charged. Now if they are not, you will get while charging some light blinkings. So green lights will be blink, and when they are charged they are just turned on. And yeah, this is how you know when you have also full batteries and that you can go fly again. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.